opportunity. Or video opportunity, more or less.
I know, right? That's what I'm doing. I got the deer in here too. It's a picture of a deer. Flooding at work. And deer over there.